about dun sa pag-file ni VP Sara ng perjury complaint, second perjury complaint against Ramil Madriaga. Ang sabi po nung kanyang tagapagsalita, it had to be done to ensure that Madriaga is held accountable under the law and to unmask the malicious, baseless, and desperate character of the impeachment effort against the Vice President and of those behind it. What do you make sense of the timing po nitong pagpa-file ng perjury complaint na tila coincidental dun sa pagtestigo ni Gina Acosta?
Sure, it has to be done. I mean, anybody could be able to file any kind of charges. Di ba? We have the freedom to do that. Pero ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, ganito. Bakit? Ba't ngayon lang? Why is it that they have to file a perjury case against Madriaga while the impeachment court is in session? Why not before? Why not nung unang-unang nagbigay ng affidavit si Madriaga? Dapat nag-file na sila ng perjury against Madriaga. Ang tanong ko ganito, ang tanong ng taong bayan ganito, bakit ngayon lang?